Okay, doing a change out here. Already did a pre-cut of 7/8 on my keys, and we're cutting all the way up to a 32mm key on this particular part on my Morrison key cutter. Need me a hold down plate here. I actually like these four corners holding down these parts better than I do the crossbar that comes with the key cutter, key setter. Try to do this efficient for the video here. Out of the way. Wipe off my excess coolant here. I'm using Tap Magic in my sprayer. Oops. Take this out. There's my file here. Knock down a couple of sharp edges. You may or may not be able to see that off camera. Okay. Get my little shavings off my table here. Next one here. See, it's already cut to 7/8. Put it on there. I've got a little slot cut right here that I use for lining up my center punch. Helps me reset those up. Make sure it's pulled forward. Set this back on. Down. Verify that I'm still lined up. I am. Put my top brace back over, run it forward, tighten that in. Tight. Put the machine in jog. Make sure that I don't run into anything with my cutter. All looks good. Turn it back on. Let's grab my coolant spray here. I have this right here so it's spraying out over where it's cutting at. Little live adjustment after dropping it off the side there. Turn it back on and engage cut. There we go.